If you find that your shave button is blinking, this may indicate that you have a problem with your shaver motor and it needs to be replaced. We will demonstrate this process in this section of the video. First step will be to turn off your machine and remove it from the power source. Next, we'll take off the ice hopper and lid. We'll be removing the top panel from the machine, so first we're going to unscrew the scrambler from the ice dish. We'll use a 1/2-inch nut driver to remove the 4 bolts from the top of the machine. These 4 bolts act to secure the ice dish as well as the top panel to the rest of the machine. Once all 4 are removed, you'll take off the ice dish. Next, we'll take out the hex nut, which pulls directly off the shaver motor. With our Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to remove the side panel from the machine. The flathead screwdriver, pry off the bottom right corner and pull down with both hands to take off the side panel. Again, with the Phillips head screwdriver, we'll unscrew and remove the main board cover. Now, with access to the main board, we're going to remove the lead from the shaver motor, the safety switch, the main power lead, and we're also going to unscrew and remove the 4 ground wires. With all these wires removed, we're now able to remove the top panel from the machine. We do this because the shaver motor is attached to the top panel. Now, with our 3/16 Allen wrench, we're going to remove the 4 bolts keeping the shaver motor in place. Once you remove your last bolt, you should be able to pull the shaver motor directly off the top panel. It is now time to replace with a new shaver motor. To do this, line up the 4 holes exactly as the old shaver motor was and re-screw the bolts. Once the shaver motor is securely fastened to the top panel, it's time to replace the top panel by lining up with and keeping the safety switch and the shaver motor lead accessible. We'll start by fastening the bolt on the bottom right corner, and this will secure the top panel to the rest of the machine. Next, we'll replace the hex nut and the shaver bowl. Once this is back on, we can replace the remaining 3 bolts. We'll next replace the ice scrambler and secure as tightly as possible. We'll reconnect the safety switch, the main power lead, and the shaver motor lead. Next, you want to make sure you have all 4 ground wires running through the same screw, and we will reattach these to the ground pole. Once everything is reattached, we'll return the main board cover, we will then return the side panel, place the hopper and the lid back on the top of the machine. We'll then turn it on